Nature. Let's draw a nature study with oil pastels. Start the drawing with a pakka house along with door and windows. Next, two kacha houses, and try to create the beauty of composition. The nature will be with a coconut tree and background trees, and same time we'll draw a road. Next we'll start the color with background cobalt blue, same time the color of and keeping in mind light and shade, we'll do the color of houses, then land surface as well as the road. This way we can finish the beautiful landscape